They say when it rains, it pours. So we have two major disruptions in little over a month at Sangster International Airport. This time, a damaged runway. Yeah man, greetings everyone. This is Stewie coming to you from beautiful Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica on August 25th with a disruption in air traffic as the runway has been damaged. Let me take you through this as how it unfolded. I want to start out with what happened before I dive into how it could have happened. Based upon my own observation, and I would assume yours too, based on the video evidence in front of us, that huge chunks of concrete or asphalt has become dislodged from the runway and some pieces have been scattered all the way from taxiway Delta down to the beginning of runway 07. It seems as if the main area where the asphalt was broken up or disturbed was right in the vicinity of taxiway Delta where the trucks are parked. That same truck that the asphalt pieces are being packed into. That area of the runway would be referred to as the touchdown zone. So that's the spot where the wheels usually touch the ground with all that weight of the aircraft coming down on that area. As you move away from this area towards the west of the runway, you notice that the pieces of asphalt on the runway are getting smaller. This has led me to formulate my own theory of what I think or how this happened. I am of the opinion that all these pieces of asphalt scattered across the runway originated from the touchdown zone right in the area of taxiway Delta and was blown across the runway by some great force. The best suited candidate for producing such a great force, strong enough to move asphalt down the runway, I think would be the jet blast from a departing aircraft. Just before I fast forward to when the runway was reopened and operations restarted, I want to quickly summarize what I think happened here. So I think the aircraft that landed last before the closure of the runway, that aircraft did some damage to the touchdown area right in taxiway Delta there. And then the departing aircraft, when it passed that area under the thrust for takeoff, it blew away the surface that was damaged and sent it scampering down the runway. Remember now, I am not an expert in the field. That is just my opinion. If you have a different view or opinion, let me know in the comment section. Let me not bore you anymore and take you straight into the resumption of operations. Here we go.
Break. All stations, just be advised, once the runway is up and running, we'll be pushing back in sequence from 1 to 19, or correction, 1 to 8. Every other aircraft can push, no adjacent aircraft can push at the same time. But we are going to get you all out here as fast as possible, so stand by.
WestJet 2703, we're all set up for runway 7?
Anyone that is able to use taxiway Charlie will be free to use taxiway Charlie, but for the aircraft that are unable taxiway Charlie, we will accommodate departures for runway 25 at the moment. Wind is calm, 280 at 4.
Wind 270 requesting taxi, information vector.
70 taxi Alpha Charlie to the holding point, runway 07, and contact tower 11875 for departure. Good day.
Holding point, runway 07, Charlie 118.75, good day to route 270. 07, taxi.
907, follow the Spirit Alpha Charlie to the holding point, runway 07, contact tower 11875 for departure. Good day.
Wings 270, thanks, sir, tower.
We are ready for wings 270 for runway 7 departure.
270, wind now 270 degrees, 5 knots. Clear for takeoff, runway 07, intersection Charlie.
We'll take up runway 07, intersection Charlie, straight route 270. 907, ready for departure, runway 07, John.
7 thanks, clear tower, roger. Line up and wait, runway 7 intersection Charlie.
Line up and wait, runway 7 at intersection Charlie, Southwest 907.
Zero airborne at 37, contact departure 120.8, good day.
120.8, have a good day, sir, 270.
07, clear takeoff, runway 7 intersection Charlie, wind calm.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7, intersection Charlie, Southwest 907.
Seven airborne 39, contact radar 20.8, good day.
20.8, good day, Southwest 907.
It is ready to go from Charlie.
Tower taken.
Tower Delta 1928, number 1 holding short at 7 Charlie. We are ready for takeoff.
8 tower, roger. Line up and wait, runway 7 intersection Charlie.
Okay, line up and wait. Runway 7 from Charlie to Delta 1928.
Clear takeoff, runway 7 intersection Charlie, wind calm.
Copy, cleared to takeoff, runway 7 from Charlie.
What's at 2703 short of 07 ready to go.
03 tower, roger. Line up and wait, runway 7 intersection Charlie.
Line up and wait, runway 07 at intersection Charlie, was at 2703.
28 airborne 43, contact radar 20.8, good day.
1928, so long.
Jet 2703, clear takeoff, runway 7 intersection Delta, wind 270 degrees 5 knots.
Runway 07 at Charlie, west at 2703.
00, thanks sir, Tower, roger. Line up and wait, runway 7 intersection Charlie.
800, line up and wait, runway 7, intersection Charlie.
703, airborne 46, contact radar 20.8, good day.
20.8, WestJet 2703, have a good day.
One 1800, clear takeoff, runway 7, wind 0, approach on 250 degrees 4 knots.
1800, clear takeoff, runway 7.
Contact radar 20.8, good day.
Delta 1800.
1800, Tower, roger. Line up and wait, runway 07, intersection Charlie. Tower, clear takeoff, runway. Tom. Line 07, intersection Charlie. And airborne at 57, contact radar 20.8, good day.
American 439er.
Clear takeoff, runway 0, wind 3.
Takeoff runway 07, intersection Charlie, American 875.
airborne 59, contact radar 20.8. Good day.